How to recognize music with Google Music Search. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So one of the ways to recognize music is launch the Google application on your device and simply tap on the speaker icon. Let's just tap on it. Next, what you can do is simply drag down the status bar and here you get to see the option of song search option. Tap on it. So you can also use any third-party apps so that will be recognizing the sound and save it to your history so you can find it later.